And it goes a little something like.
Hi guys, my name is Sakshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about stationery which we all absolutely love. The best part is there is more. So I am doing a giveaway and I really want to thank every single one of you guys for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and just like connecting with me on other social medias and just like every single thing that you guys have done for me so far. I am really thankful. So I thought I have received so much from you guys and it's time that I give back. So that's why there is going to be a giveaway at the end of this video. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. The best part is there is not going to be just one giveaway winner or two giveaway winners. There are going to be 3 giveaway winners. And I really feel that you guys are going to love this giveaway. I know you guys are really excited to just like see everything that I got. So I think let's just get started with this video now. I am one of those people who just love collecting diaries, like journals and just like having those really pretty and aesthetically pleasing notebooks. So I ended up buying quite a few of them and there may or may not be one of those for you guys. So you really want to stick around here. So let's start with the first one. First thing that I have for you guys might have seen it on my channel already. It's a journal that I have been using for the last 1 month and we are on to September. I have created a bullet journal video for you guys. You guys can go right up here and watch that video if you haven't already because you really don't want to miss that video. So first things first, it's a really nice journal. Like the sizing of it is really nice. Then there is this band thingy and when you open it, the pages are not that thick, not gonna lie, but they are like pretty fine. It's a rotate journal. I really love the page color of it. At the end, there is a pocket where you can keep your stuff if you want to. So it comes with this note and it says thank you for buying the Mood Twister notebook. It was around 350 or 400 rupees. I don't really remember, but yeah, like it's not that expensive, definitely not above 500 rupees. So that's our first notebook. Now let's see the next one. So this is the next notebook that I got and I have been using it for my exam stuff. So I have all the lists over here. Like the best part about this one is that these pages are really thick. Also guys, I mean just like look at this cover page. Ain't it pretty? It says believe in miracles and I really do. Also there are so many more variations of it. So you can go on the website and see which ones you like. This one is priced for 270 rupees. And I'm pretty sure I got it at a much lower price than this. So yes, that's our second notebook. So guys, this is the last notebook set that we have. This one is a combination of 3 notebooks. Then the best part is I'll be giving away 2 of these to one of you guys. So I thought I'll just like keep one of these and give the other 2 to you guys. So just make sure that you enter in the giveaway so that we can do twinning. So these are like ruled notebooks and yeah, they just look really pretty. Also like these are decently nice size because you don't want something that's like too big or too small. And I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to use these notebooks for your school stuffs and you really want to keep these handy. So that's why I wanted to give you a size that's going to be like really helpful and you will be able to keep this really easily in your bags and it's like they are not going to take that much space and they're like super cute. So I thought I'll just like give you guys these and yeah, so I really hope that you guys like these. So those are all the notebooks or the journals that I got. I am from one of those people who just really can't stand a disgusting pen. Like it's one of those things that really annoy me and especially when a pen is not working and you are just like constantly trying to like make it work. So I ended up buying some really nice pens. I really wanted to like try some of these out and see if they are really nice and just like something that's really going to help you guys. So I just got a lot of pens and now I'll just like tell you guys all the details about these pens. So let's start with these ones. So I got these fine writers from Luxor and they're like really nice quality pens. So you get all these really beautiful colors and then the best part is they glide on the paper like a dream. So I really feel like having really nice pens is really important. Like you can really work with these extremely nicely. So I thought I'll give away one of these to you guys as well. So I got one for myself just to try it out and see if you guys are going to like it or not. And then I ended up ordering this same thing for you guys because I really wanted to see if these are going to really work for me or not. And yeah, like these are really nice. So I thought I'd just like give away the same thing to you guys. So this is what the next person is going to win. So next I got this set of Pilot V5 pens. These are like black, blue and red colored. These are the only color pen that I use for the most part, and sometimes whenever I am feeling a bit fancier, then I use more other colors. Like I can use those Luxor pens for that. But for the most part, I just like to stick with these 3 colors. So I thought I just like buy them from Pilot, and they were for like 150 rupees. So these next 2 things I think I have manifested into my life, and these are Stabilo pens and highlighters. So first we have these pastel highlighters from Stabilo. They are like really smooth, they look really pretty, and they make your notes look really aesthetic. But that's not the main thing why I'm saying this to you. So the main reason why I'm talking to you guys so much about this and just like raving about them, from the time that I have started using these in my notebooks, it's not that difficult to like read over these, and it's definitely something that I'm gonna buy over and over again. So I thought I'd just like let you guys know about them and how fun they are. So the next thing that I got from Stabilo are these fine liners. Now these are again pastel, and to be honest, I don't like these that much because they are like way too light for a notebook, and like highlighters I want them to be light, and for my pens or like my fine liners I really want them to be darker and something that I can see with my eyes, and I don't have to like literally go inside my notebook to see what's written over it. Not something that I would suggest you to go and try or like spend your money on. But yeah, this is what we got. So next I got these brushes. I remember being that girl who would just like draw things just whenever she was bored or something, because I thought I should do something more serious in my life like YouTube. So that's why I just ended up drawing altogether. So I really want to get back into drawings and just like creating art and all the cool stuff. So I thought I'll buy myself some brushes and get on with it. So this package says that these are super smooth, and it says that these are 7-try grip brushes. I don't have any idea what that means, but I just thought it would be cool to tell you guys that. And then these are like different sizes and all. So I ended up buying these A4 size sheets, and they are 300 GSM. So it says that there are supposed to be 18 of them, but then 6 are free with them or something like that. And I really think that I'm going to like use this really religiously and just like do all the fun stuff that I can. Next we have these Camlin's watercolor tubes. You guys can see how they look. There are 18 shades. So I think I'll just like open it up and show you guys how they are. Like really nice quality tubes, so I thought you guys are totally going to like them. So now this last thing that we have, it's not really related to stationery, but it's something that I really like to have on my table whenever I'm studying or just like doing something fun, having a self-care day or like anything of that sort. So I thought I'll show you guys this as well. I ended up getting this scented candle, and this one is from Mini. So I got it on Amazon only. So I thought I'll just like open it up in front of you guys only. So that's how it looks when you open it up, and then you have the candle right there in the middle, and it's like really nice. So that's what we have over here, and I really like how classy it looks. So with that I can wrap this stationery haul, but now it's time that I tell you the rules for this giveaway. First things first, I'll show you guys all the giveaways that I'm giving. There are going to be 3 giveaway winners. I'll have all the details about this giveaway in the description bar below, but I thought I'll just like tell you guys what you have to do. First things first, you'll have to like subscribe to my channel and turn the post notification on so that you know whenever I upload a new video. Next thing that you have to do is comment on this video, give me some video suggestions or like any videos that you want to watch on the channel. Next thing that you have to do is follow me on my Instagram account. The links will be in the description bar below, and it will be pinned in the comments as well, so you can go and check it out. And lastly, just go in the description bar below and see all the rules for the giveaway. Like these are the main 3 things that you'll have to do, and like the other things are just like bonus entries. So make sure that you follow those all and be a part of this giveaway. So I'll be announcing the giveaway winner at the end of this month. So you'll have enough time to share my content around your friends and your family and ask them to subscribe to my channel as well. And that is another way of getting more entries. So just like do all those things. In the comments you'll also have to tell me which one of these items you want, so that I know what you want and I can give that to you. So that's really important. Just like make sure that you do that. So that's going to be it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you guys like this giveaway and all, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.